This resource is designed to help candidates prepare effectively for interviews in the automotive industry. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a newcomer, understanding these questions will enhance your confidence. Join us as we break down key topics that employers commonly address during the interview process. 1. Why did you choose to become a mechanic? Becoming a mechanic stemmed from my lifelong passion for automobiles. From a young age, I was fascinated by how things worked and loved taking apart and reassembling engines. This curiosity evolved into a desire to understand automotive technology deeply. I appreciate the blend of problem-solving and hands-on work that mechanics provide. The satisfaction of diagnosing and fixing a vehicle not only helps others but also fuels my enthusiasm for continuous learning in this ever-evolving field. It's rewarding to know that I contribute to keeping people safe on the roads. 2. Can you describe your previous experience in automotive repair? I have spent over 5 years working as a mechanic in various automotive repair shops. My journey began with an apprenticeship, where I learned the basics of engine repair and maintenance. After completing my certification, I worked on a wide range of vehicles, focusing on diagnostics and repairs. This experience allowed me to become proficient in using diagnostic tools and dealing with complex issues. I have also participated in workshops and training sessions to enhance my skills, ensuring I am always prepared to handle diverse repair challenges. 3. What are your qualifications and training in mechanics? I completed an associate degree in automotive technology, which provided me with a solid foundation in mechanical principles and systems. Additionally, I have obtained certifications from the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, ASE, in various specialty areas, including brakes, electrical systems, and engine performance. I have also participated in hands-on training workshops and manufacturer-specific training programs to stay current with advancements in automotive technology. Continuous education is important to me, so I regularly attend seminars and online courses to enhance my skills and knowledge in this ever-evolving field. 4. How do you stay updated with the latest automotive technologies and repair techniques? Staying updated with the latest automotive technologies and repair techniques involves a multifaceted approach. I regularly attend workshops and training sessions offered by manufacturers and industry organizations. Subscribing to automotive magazines and online forums helps me gain insights into emerging trends and technologies. Networking with other professionals also allows me to exchange knowledge and learn from their experiences. Additionally, I utilize online resources, including webinars and tutorials, ensuring I remain proficient and informed about advancements in the automotive field. 5. What process do you use to diagnose vehicle issues? When diagnosing vehicle issues, I start by conducting a thorough interview with the customer to understand the symptoms and history. Next, I perform a visual inspection, checking for obvious signs of wear or damage. I then utilize diagnostic tools, such as OBDII scanners, to retrieve error codes and gather data. Based on this information, I create a hypothesis about the potential issues. Afterward, I run specific tests to confirm or refute my initial suspicions. Finally, I compile my findings and discuss them with the customer, ensuring they understand the necessary repairs. 6. How do you prioritize safety in your work? Safety is my top priority in every aspect of my work. I begin by consistently wearing personal protective equipment, PPE, such as gloves, goggles, and steel-toed boots. I regularly inspect tools and equipment for any damage before use, ensuring they are in proper working condition. I also adhere strictly to safety protocols and guidelines, especially when working with hazardous materials. Before starting any repair, I evaluate the work area to eliminate potential hazards. Open communication with colleagues about safety concerns is essential, fostering a culture of vigilance. This approach helps prevent accidents and keeps everyone safe. 7. Can you describe a challenging repair job you've completed and how you approached it? One challenging repair involved a vehicle with intermittent electrical issues that caused the engine to stall unpredictably. I began by gathering detailed information from the owner about the symptoms and timing of the problems. Using a systematic diagnostic approach, I checked the battery, alternator, and wiring harness for faults. After extensive testing, I discovered a faulty ground connection that was not immediately apparent. I repaired the connection and performed additional tests to ensure the issue was resolved, which restored the vehicle's reliability. This experience underscored the importance of thorough diagnostics and attention to detail. 8. What types of diagnostic tools are you experienced with? I have extensive experience with various diagnostic tools, including OBDII scanners, multimeters, and oscilloscopes. OBDII scanners are essential for retrieving fault codes and monitoring vehicle performance data. Multimeters help me check electrical circuits for continuity and voltage issues. For more complex problems, I use oscilloscopes to analyze waveforms in electronic systems, ensuring accurate diagnosis of issues like sensor malfunctions or communication errors. I also utilize manufacturer-specific software tools for in-depth analysis, which allows for precise and effective troubleshooting in modern vehicles. 9. How do you handle customer interactions and explain technical issues to non-technical people? Handling customer interactions requires patience and clear communication. I always start by actively listening to the customer's concerns, ensuring I understand their perspective. Then, I break down technical jargon into simple terms, using relatable analogies when necessary. Visual aids, like diagrams or examples, can also help. I encourage questions to ensure they feel comfortable and informed about the repair process. Building trust is essential, so I aim to foster an open, friendly environment where customers feel valued and understood. Keeping them updated throughout the repair enhances their confidence in my work. 10. What are your favorite types of repairs to perform? I particularly enjoy working on engine rebuilds and performance upgrades. These repairs allow me to dive deep into the mechanical aspects of the vehicle, offering a rewarding challenge. I find satisfaction in enhancing a car's power and efficiency, making it more enjoyable for the owner. Additionally, I appreciate the intricacies involved in suspension work, as it directly impacts handling and ride comfort. Each repair presents an opportunity to learn something new, and I thrive on the creativity involved in finding solutions to unique issues. 11. What are your least favorite jobs to do as a mechanic? One of my least favorite jobs as a mechanic is performing routine maintenance tasks like oil changes and tire rotations. While I understand their importance for vehicle longevity, these tasks can become monotonous. I prefer more complex repairs that challenge my skills and allow me to troubleshoot issues. Additionally, dealing with rusted or corroded components can be frustrating, as they often require extra effort and can lead to unforeseen complications. Despite these challenges, I recognize that every job contributes to the overall functionality of the vehicle, making them necessary in the grand scheme of automotive repair. 12. How do you work with other mechanics in a team environment? In a team environment, I emphasize open communication and collaboration. Regular meetings help us discuss ongoing projects, share insights, and address challenges collectively. I believe in leveraging each mechanic's strengths, which enhances productivity and fosters a positive atmosphere. I also prioritize respect and support, ensuring that everyone feels valued and heard. By sharing knowledge and techniques, we can tackle complex repairs more efficiently. Teamwork not only helps in solving problems faster but also creates an environment where continuous learning is encouraged, leading to better service for our customers. 13. Can you describe your experience with in-depth engine and transmission repairs? My experience with in-depth engine and transmission repairs includes working on various makes and models, where I have tackled extensive overhauls and rebuilds. I have disassembled engines to replace worn components, such as pistons and crankshafts, ensuring that each part meets the manufacturer's specifications. In transmission work, I have diagnosed issues, performed fluid changes, and replaced clutches and gear sets. My approach involves meticulous attention to detail, using diagnostic tools to pinpoint problems accurately, and collaborating with colleagues to share insights and techniques for complex repairs. 14. How do you approach troubleshooting complex mechanical problems? When troubleshooting complex mechanical problems, I start by gathering as much information as possible from the vehicle's owner regarding the symptoms. I then conduct a thorough visual inspection of the vehicle to identify any obvious issues. Utilizing diagnostic tools, I perform tests to pinpoint the problem, examining various systems such as electrical, fuel, and mechanical components. I take a methodical approach, working step by step and documenting each finding. Collaborating with colleagues or referencing technical manuals can also provide insights. Patience and persistence are key, as some problems require time and careful analysis to resolve effectively. 15. Have you ever had to deal with a dissatisfied customer? How did you handle it? Dealing with a dissatisfied customer requires a calm and empathetic approach. I once had a customer who was unhappy with the repair time on their vehicle. I listened carefully to their concerns, acknowledging their frustration. I explained the reasons for the delay, including unexpected issues that arose during repairs. I offered a complimentary service to show goodwill and reassure them of our commitment to quality. By maintaining open communication and showing genuine care, I turned a negative experience into a positive one, ultimately regaining their trust and satisfaction. 16. What experience do you have with electric or hybrid vehicles? My experience with electric and hybrid vehicles includes working on various models, performing routine maintenance and troubleshooting electrical systems. I have completed specialized training on hybrid technologies, enabling me to understand the unique aspects of these vehicles, such as high-voltage systems and regenerative braking. I have also used diagnostic tools specifically designed for electric vehicles. This hands-on experience has allowed me to stay current with industry advancements and effectively address any issues that arise during repairs. 17. How do you ensure accuracy and attention to detail in your work? To ensure accuracy and attention to detail in my work, I follow a systematic approach. First, I thoroughly review the repair manual and guidelines relevant to the specific vehicle model before starting any job. I double-check parts and tools needed, maintaining an organized workspace to minimize distractions. During repairs, I take my time to inspect each component carefully, ensuring that everything is correctly installed and functioning. After completing a job, I conduct a final inspection to verify that all systems operate as intended, which helps prevent future issues and ensures customer satisfaction. 18. Can you describe a situation where you had to make a quick decision under pressure? In a busy shop, I encountered a vehicle that had just arrived with a serious engine issue. The owner was anxious, as they needed the car for an important trip the next day. I quickly assessed the situation and determined that a coolant leak was causing the overheating. With minimal time, I made the decision to perform a temporary fix by sealing the leak with a high-quality repair compound. This allowed the owner to use the vehicle for their trip while I scheduled a more permanent repair for when they returned. It required effective communication and quick thinking to ensure customer satisfaction. 19. What do you consider to be your greatest strength as a mechanic? One of my greatest strengths as a mechanic is my ability to problem solve effectively. I approach each repair with a methodical mindset, breaking down complex issues into manageable steps. This analytical approach allows me to diagnose problems accurately and efficiently, which not only saves time but also ensures quality repairs. Additionally, my attention to detail helps me catch minor issues before they escalate, enhancing vehicle reliability. This strength contributes significantly to customer satisfaction, as I strive to deliver reliable, high-quality service every time. 20. How do you handle tight deadlines or a backlog of repair jobs? Handling tight deadlines or a backlog requires effective time management and prioritization. I assess the urgency of each job, focusing on those that impact safety or customer satisfaction first. Communication with customers is vital. I keep them informed about timelines and any potential delays. I also collaborate with my team, delegating tasks when possible to ensure efficiency. Staying organized helps me track progress, and I maintain a clear workspace to enhance productivity. Adapting to the pressure while ensuring quality is essential to meet deadlines.